Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this video, we will write the program to interact with the buttons. So if I click on the greeting card button, then the game will switch from the menu scene to the greeting card scene. If I click on the rotate cube button, the scene will move to the rotate cube scene. And similarly, if I click on this close button, then the game will not close as we are running this game inside Unity and not inside a system. So if I click on the close button or the exit button, then I'll get this message in the console saying exit button pressed. Okay, so let's start with the programming. Now for moving from the menu scene to the greeting card scene or to the rotate cube scene when these two buttons are pressed, we'll create a new C# script. Okay, so I'll right click inside the scripts folder. After this, I'll go in create and I'll select the C# script option. I'll give the script a name of change scene menu. I'll open the script. Inside this script, we'll declare three methods for the three buttons which we have inside the canvas. So I'll first delete the void start and the void update function. After this, I'll write down public void and I'll give this first method a name of greeting card. So the greeting card method is for this greeting card button. Okay, below this I'll declare another method. I'll give this method a name of rotate cube. And at the end, I'll declare a third method. I'll name it exit game. Okay, so the rotate cube method is for the rotate cube button and the exit game method is for this exit button. Now inside this greeting card method, we will write the program to jump from the menu scene to the greeting card scene. And inside this rotate cube method, we will write the program to jump from the menu scene to the rotate cube scene. And since we are going to write the program to jump from one scene to another scene, so that's why we need to add a scene management namespace. Okay, so below Unity Engine, I'll write down using Unity Engine dot scene management. Okay, I'll put a semicolon. After adding the scene management namespace, next inside the greeting card method, I'll write down scene manager dot load scene. I'll then open and close round brackets. And inside the round brackets, I'll put two double quotes, and inside these double quotes, I'll write down the name of the scene. Okay, so I'll go inside data files. I'll open the scenes folder and I'll copy the name of the greeting card scene. Okay, so I'll click on Ctrl C to copy it and I'll paste the name over here. Okay, and at the end, I'll put a semicolon. Similarly, inside the rotate cube function, I'll write down scene manager dot load scene, and inside this double quotes, I'll copy the name of the rotate cube scene. So after copying the name of the rotate cube, okay, at the end, as you can see, we have this exit game function. So the exit game function will be called when this exit button is pressed, and when this exit button is pressed, we want to close our game. Okay, so inside this exit game function, I'll write down application dot quit, and below this application dot quit command, I'll write down debug dot log exit button pressed. And the reason why I've written debug.log exit button pressed is because when we preview the game in play mode, so during that time, since our game is running inside the Unity environment, so that's why this exit button will not work. Okay, so when we click on this exit button, the game will not exit, but we will get a message inside the console saying that the exit button is pressed. And this is how we can figure out whether this exit game method is called or not. Okay, so I'll come out of play mode. And after declaring these three methods, next inside the menu scene, I'll create an empty game object. Okay, I'll give this game object a name of change scene object. Okay, and to this change scene object, I'll attach this change scene menu script. Okay, so I'll attach this script to the change scene object. So as you can see, the change scene menu script is attached to the change scene object. After this, I'll open my canvas, and inside the canvas, I'll click on the greeting card button, which is this button over here. Okay, so I'll just select the 2D scale tool. Next, I'll scroll down, and as you can see, we have this option of on click. Okay, so I'll click on the plus sign. And next over here, as you can see, we need to provide a game object. Okay, so I'll select this change scene object and I'll drag it over here. Now, the reason why I've dragged the change scene object is because the change scene object basically contains the change scene menu script, and inside the change scene menu script, we have created these three methods to jump from one scene to another scene or to exit the game. So I'll click on the greeting card button. Next, I'll click on this no function drop down, and when I clicked on this no function drop down, as you can see, we have got this change scene menu script shown over here. So from inside this change scene menu script, I'll select this greeting card method. So basically, when I'll click on this greeting card method, this onClick command will be called, and when this onClick command is called, we are calling the change scene menu script, and inside this change scene menu script, we are calling this greeting card method, and when this greeting card method is called, our game will basically navigate, or our game will basically jump from the menu scene to the greeting card scene. So after this, I'll select the cube button. Next, I'll again click on the plus sign. I'll again add the change scene object over here. After this, I'll click on the no function drop down. I'll go inside change scene menu and I'll select the rotate cube function for the rotate cube button, and at the end I'll select the close button. I'll click on the plus sign. I'll drag this object here. I'll then click on no function drop down. I'll click on change scene menu and I'll select the exit game function. Okay, so guys, I've basically finished with the program. Next, I'll click on file. I'll then click on build settings, and inside build settings we will now add the rotate cube scene. So I'll open the scenes folder, and from the scenes folder I'll drag the rotate cube scene. Okay, so as you can see, the menu scene has an index of 0, greeting card scene has an index of 1, and the rotate cube scene has an index of 2, which is totally fine. Okay, so if I click on the play button and if I click on the greeting card scene, then the greeting card scene will open. So as you can see, you're seeing the output from the webcam, but if you look on top, then the scene which is opened is greeting card scene. Okay, so I'll come out of play mode. I'll again click on the play button, and if I click on the rotate cube button, then again you will see the webcam output, but the scene which is open right now is rotate cube scene. And at the end, if I click on the exit button, then we are getting this output of exit button pressed. Okay, so guys, that's it from this video, and I'll see you in the next video.